In this video, I will show you how to find story drafts on Instagram. First of all, after you open up your phone, to get your story draft on Instagram now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this, all you have to do now, tap on this little plus icon beside your profile. This plus icon, tap on it. After you tap on this plus icon, as you can see now it will take you to your story. As you can see here, it says add story. So all you have to do now in this section, here is where you can get your story draft. Here is it, as you can see now. Tap on this draft section. If you tap on this draft section, as you can see now here you can be able to see all your draft that you save on your Instagram. So all you have to do now, go ahead and choose the one that you want to continue editing your video with it. So let's say I want to continue with this one. After you open it like this, as you can see now, all you have to do now, you can go ahead now and continue recording your video, or just go ahead and upload your video by tapping on this arrow as you can see now, and tap on this share button. Now you can be able to go and share your story drafts on Instagram. That's it guys on how to find your story draft on Instagram. Hope this video helps you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.